Yeah, well, draw on it. Show Mama and Papa what you can do. Yeah. Get me using my ease on Mama and Papa. Yeah.
Look at that.
He said, I got it. Mama, mitt up.
Wait.
Let Mama clean it.
Oh, I gotta help, baby, because I gotta dry it. Or it won't work.
Alright, wait. Wait. I was minding my own business.
Okay.
No, draw on the bottom part. There you go. Now turn around. Hey, turn around and wave to Mama and Papa. Say I love you. Give them sugars.